Model: 68-plate Peugeot Boxer Relay DUCATO 2.0 BlueHDi 335L1 130 spares OR repairs Grin. Body: white, Luton, box spares OR repairs. Mileage: 194402. MOT: the 22nd of November 2024. Engine: 1997 CCDW10 FUD. Transmission: 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurising. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.